friends, welcome back to my channel. So for those of you who are new, my name is Dee. I am the creator of Messy Heart Crazy Life. So here on my channel, I do pretty much all things beauty. I am an independent beauty consultant, Mary Kay beauty consultant. So I do a lot of videos about Mary Kay. I also am a at-home or DIY eyelash extension enthusiast. So I have a lot of videos there, but I also just do random things on beauty, things that I find on Instagram or Facebook, things that I want to try out. And I want to share my experience with you to see, hey, is it something that, do you want to waste your time and money to buy something, or is it worth it? That sort of thing. So today's going to be a little bit different. I also do, I think I do a lot of eyebrow videos too, but I'm going to do a review on the Ultimate Brow Kit. This is the Brow Trio. So I did see this on Instagram, kind of scrolled through and I was like, that's interesting. So in full disclosure, this is what my brows look like. I have absolutely no makeup on them. As you can see, one brow is slightly different color than the other brow because this one is kind of sparse. You know, brows are sisters, not twins, so they're not exactly the same. I did have the microbladed done several years ago, but I am in desperate need of a touch-up. So I'm always looking at products that will just help make my eyebrows look natural, but look filled in, doesn't take a lot of time. So when I saw this, I was like, okay, let's give it a try. It looks super easy. So it does come with this little card. You're supposed to, it says, we're excited for you to partner. No, wait, can't see it. We're excited for you to experience perfect brows in seconds. Place this card somewhere visible as a reminder of your inner and outer beauty. So it has that. I did get the Ultimate Brow Kit. It does come with 12 different stencils. It says it has 4 high arch, 4 low arch, and 4 regular arch. So I don't know which one I am, but it does come with 12. It does have the pomade. This says it's smooth, it's waterproof, it's smudge proof, and it's buildable. So here it is. I can't remember. I think there are different colors. I probably got like a dark brown. Maybe it says, yeah, soft brown. So I'll put up here how many different colors they have. I'll link everything below, but I did get soft brown. I do like, I mean, as you can see, this is my natural color. So this obviously is not, but I do like my eyebrows to be a little bit darker just because I feel like it frames my face a little bit more. So then it also comes with this sponge brush. So I guess this is what you're supposed to do. And then it also has a spoolie. And then I'm hoping these are instructions. They are. So we're going to go ahead and do this. Like I said, nothing in my brows. I did do my full face of makeup, but I didn't do anything. This is just what they look like. And again, they're different colors because that's what we've got to work with. Okay. It says here, place stencil on eyebrow with widened 2-finger hold at the top and bottom of the stencil using short or long guide depending on brow length. Gently tap sponge over eyebrow, starting at the tail, moving towards the front in a tapping motion so that the tail of the brow is more defined and the front is softer. Okay, so first I gotta figure out what shape I'm going for. So these are what it looks like. Oh, okay, so they have named it, like this one is high arch. So, okay, high arch, regular arch, low arch. Low arch, they're not in order, so you gotta kind of shuffle them, you know, make sure you organize them because they're a little bit all over the place. I'm not sure why they did that. Maybe they have a reason. But one thing I did notice, they do have, okay, so they have high arch and then it says short or S. And then they have a high arch M, medium, and then they have a L and then an XL. So I think, you know, I mean, it's definitely, wait, okay, I wanna go this way. Okay, I'm looking like I'm a high arch. Actually, that one's a little bit too long. So this one, oh gosh, you can see, that is my face makeup. Okay, XL is too long. So let's try the, okay, well, it looks like I guess I'm a high arch girl. Who would have thunk? But yeah, they definitely have, I mean, several different lengths. Okay. I don't know. I mean, I guess I'm a regular arch too. I'm definitely not a low arch, but I'm in between a high arch and a regular arch, but we're gonna go with the high arch because I do like high arches. Okay. Wait, oh wait, hold up. Okay. Wait, this one's too long. It's too long. Okay, so maybe, got them all mixed up. High arch, medium. Okay, let's try medium. High arch. And I'm guessing, okay, so I'm a medium. I think my eyebrows are a little bit bigger. So if you have fake eyelashes, it's gonna be a little bit challenging to do this. We're gonna go with this one. Okay, so I'm gonna go with this one. We're gonna see. So it says to put the sponge in and start from the side. So there we go. I think you're supposed to do it like this. Okay. And that's one. Oh, that's not bad. I think it needs a little bit more. Actually, this one like probably doesn't really need that much. Apparently, I just have one eyebrow that's a little funky. Oh, I just went in with the wrong end. Pay attention, people. When you're doing this, making sure you go in with the right end. Okay. Wow. Holy crap. Actually worked. I think I want a little bit more here. I'm not loving the color, but I'm not like hating the, oh jeez. That wasn't good. Okay, so I gotta get the product off the spoolie first. That's my bad. Okay. Got a big chunk there, but it's okay. We'll just brush it out. It is not bad. I am actually really impressed. I mean, it is like boom in your face, but that's kind of what I want. So let me do a little bit more. I mean, look at my face. It is kind of disgusting, but it's cool. Okay. So I'm gonna focus a little bit more on here because I know that they say that you want it to be darker on the tail end, but I'm not that kind of person. I like it to be the same color. That's just me. Holy crap. I mean, that is pretty good. Okay, so let's do the other side. I'm gonna go ahead and wipe this off because you just flip it and I don't want the other side to go my face. There's definitely, I think this is where having makeup wipes would really come in handy. I just happen to have this paper towel, but I think just having regular makeup wipes. Holy crap. I have to say, that is crazy. I thought this was just a gimmick. I'll be completely honest with you. I mean, look at them. Now, I'll be honest, I'm not in love with the color, but it's kind of crazy because when I look in the camera, it looks a little bit, I don't know, like too brown, but when I look in the mirror, they look damn perfect. I mean, they actually look good. They do look a little fake. They don't look like actual hair, but I'm wondering if I kind of brush them up a little bit and kind of give them that fluffy look, maybe they will look a little bit more natural. Okay, yeah, I actually like that. Yeah, I just kind of fluff them up a little bit. You can't really tell in the camera, but in like person, it just gives it a little bit more, like instead of like cemented down. Now I feel the pomade in there, like they're not concrete down, but I do feel like they're holding, like the powder, it's not powder, but the pomade is kind of holding them there. So, which I really like because otherwise they just kind of like start sticking up all over the place. And then you can see that I got the tattoo done. but I got the microdermabrasion done, and you can kind of see where that is because they're like kind of crazy. But this is, holy crap. This is life-changing. I hate doing my eyebrows. I hate it so much, but I spend so much time on it. And this was 2 seconds. Like, it was a little bit kind of taking through, but doing it, holy crap. This is crazy. And I mean, I kind of like the color, but I'm not 100% sold on the color. So I might try a different one. Just go on there and maybe do something a little bit, I don't know. It just looks a little caramelly, if that makes sense. Like, it just doesn't look, I don't know. It's definitely not auburn, but it kind of has this caramel hue where I'm not in love with it, but I absolutely love the method. Like, holy crap, this is cool. And what you can do, I mean, heck, you could, the arch things are, obviously that's where to go, but this thing, like, I can see this getting yucky, and you can always do a replacement, but you just kind of get a sponge. I do like that it's all in one, but you could, you know, you can get a sponge and just kind of do it as long as you have these things. So but obviously it's a package deal. It's $36. I don't think I said that before, but it's $36 for this whole set. They are doing a 10% off coupon. You just go on the website, you type in your email, and then you do it. But holy crap, this is crazy. I really, really like this. I have all these stencils. I mean, and I don't think that my eyelashes or eyebrows are going to change that much. So I'll probably end up selling these just to anybody who's interested. So if you're interested, let me know. I mean, I'll sell them cheap. But yeah, this one's mine. I apparently am in high arch medium. Who would have thought? But that, yeah, this is just, I can't get over my excitement. When you try something and it's like, it sounds too good to be true, and it's like, oh, is it gimmicky? Sometimes when you go on Instagram and it's like, is it gimmicky? Is it really gonna work? But I am so excited. This is actually very, very cool. And something that, I mean, literally, I think I could do this in 2 seconds and be done and whatever. I do have some more eyebrow videos coming up. I'm really disappointed because I really want to try this out again or keep using this, but I can definitely see this being my go-to everyday method because it is so freaking simple. I do like the results. Like I said, I think I'm gonna go on, try a different color, see if I can get that perfect color, but I do really, really like the method. It is not gimmicky at all. It actually does work. You guys saw it in live action. Who says that? I don't even know. Is that Tiger King? Live action. I think so. Maybe. I don't know. I haven't even watched the show, but I know enough. Anyways. So yeah, very, very cool. I'll put everything below so that you guys, if you're interested, you can check them out. Very, very excited. It works. Look at how fabulous they were. They look perfect. They look microbladed. Very, very cool. So anyways, enough of me rambling. Hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. If you have any questions, please leave your comments below. Until next time, bye.